Well, whether it's rain in the Bay Area, snow in the Sierra, or snow in the lowlands, too, weather remains the dominant topic, at least this week.
Rightfully so, considering the recent events and how the weather's impacted everybody statewide. I just want to start with that for a moment because we really did get a lot of snow in the Sierra. And in some ways it was just in terms of we had fallen behind in general. From this standpoint alone, this is actually a good story for the state as a whole. We did need to catch up. And when you look at the numbers on here, coming down in the South Sierra, we're almost back to average now. This was after going 5 weeks with nothing. Going into a snow drought, we can work that way up to the Central Sierra. We're at 70% of average. And the Northern Sierra right now, just at about, half of where we would want to be. Let's go back out for that wide view now. Next system's coming in. So we'll say goodbye to visualizing snow, and we'll visualize tonight's rain sitting up here. There's an area of low pressure right now that is just sitting right up off the coast of Washington and Oregon. This is the next one coming in. And this one is going to be able to drive in a very well organized system here at home tonight. And we're going to get widespread rain as that comes on shore. Let's bring that back down to scale, and I'll show you what this is going to look like for us from the vantage point of the rain. We'll take the future cast forward now. And as we go ahead, you're going to see right here about 1 a.m. we get into the thick of it. This is the next storm. It's coming in tonight. While you're sleeping, more widespread rain. We're going to get a little more light snow on Mount Hamilton and Mount Diablo. Let's see if we can slow that down, get specific. Watch our timestamp up here, starting this in the evening. That's the band of rain that's getting pushed on shore. I want to go slow because I want you to see how this thing develops. Right off the coast, it develops its own little area of low pressure right off the coast as it's coming on shore. So this means by the time we get to midnight, the rainfall intensity is going to pick up from what this system has right now out over the water. And the wind will pick up too. And those two things will happen just as the system's coming on shore into the bay. So it's probably going to be a bit loud tonight when this comes through because we'll have 30-mile-an-hour gusts as the center of that low between midnight and 3 a.m. moves right over, kind of a bullseye. It's not going to be terribly intense. We're not too concerned about this from a rainfall or intensity. Maybe there's an isolated thunderstorm mixed in there. That's possible, especially when these things develop right off the coast like that, even under cover of darkness. Normally you need sunlight. Add that energy to get thunderstorms here, but some systems can do it overnight. This one has a small chance, although not major. I just don't want you to be surprised if you hear it. Between midnight and about 4 a.m. is the main event. Then when we get to sunrise, we're still going to have leftover scattered showers. I'm just going to let that play. That's going all the way through tomorrow morning. Plenty of breaks. It's going to look kind of pretty, actually, because you will get a lot of blue sky. But every once in a while, a little cell of rain will move through. It'll be a lot like what you experienced today. The wind is an interesting part of this because as this system intensifies right off the coast, look at that counterclockwise circulation. Just as that area of low pressure comes on shore, we're playing it again. But instead of looking at rain, we're visualizing the wind field. And right about here, could see 35-mile-an-hour gusts coming into the city, certainly anywhere along the coast, and then some of that wind will manage to hold together as it gets inland, but it should weaken quickly as it moves inland. No wind advisory from it, but it is going to get windy tonight as that system comes onshore. There are a couple more rainmakers after this. We'll clear out the one from tonight. That's it. Let's get rid of that because I want you to see the next one. The next one kind of is a bit of a tease. It looks like it's coming, and then it stops and gets pulled away, and then it finally comes back. By the time it finally comes back, it's not until Sunday night. So there's another system coming in on Sunday with a little bit of rain. Doesn't look major. And then maybe another one next week. We'll talk more about that one for Tuesday as we get closer to it. We must look at one other thing. It is going to be cold tonight. And I know the last few nights have already been cold, but the next three are really the bottom. Take a look at your morning lows from Monterey, Santa Cruz, Morgan Hill, Santa Clara Valley in the mid-30s, 31 in Livermore, and 29 for Santa Rosa, Petaluma. It is going to be cold up in those North Bay valleys. It's the next 3 mornings, so start thinking ahead to that. If you want the warm-up, it's coming back here. By Sunday, when that next system comes in with rain, it'll be a warmer setup. Daytime highs will go back to the mid-60s. We'll keep an eye on that Tuesday chance of rain, Ryan. That one is the next one that looks like it might be more than just light stuff, but more on that as we get closer to it. Back over to you.